NIO is just going straight up. It is not. It doesn't even give a rip. So I'm going to look at the chart here. Does this even have options? It does have options. It has a nice, kind of good chain here too. So I like to play both sides of the coin. If a stock is going all the way up and it's just ripping, I know it's going to have a pullback. I know it will. It has to. And as you can see, we had a nice, decent pullback right here at this upper trend channel touch. We had this ATR4, which is this red band right here, which is a big sell side. And it was very nice. A lot of times you could see this kind of pattern too, where it kind of hugs it. It goes down a little and then hugs it. But then you got to realize this, we'll hit this EMA 5, which is the purple band here, the EMA 10, and then the 20. We did not hit the 20, which is kind of sucks for the bulls because it's going to hit it. It needs to hit it, and that's that full reversion to the mean, and then it restarts that time distance when it hits it. So when you look at the past of what happened to NIO, it's known for these massive moves. I mean, look at this. Data price range. Pull up this, you go here if you want to look at that. This made a 67% move in literally like a 2 weeks time frame. Very big move. But what happens is it also lost all of its gains too. So my thing is you want to take the gains. You don't want to just like keep hoping and, you know, can this go to higher and higher and higher and higher. So you do want to take it off the table here. This was the last thing here too. But look at this right here. Beautiful put size play, right? Right in here, you wait for around 5 daily candles not touching this EMA 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get your initial touch here. And then also we want to look at what is the trend channel saying. Where is that trend channel to give us the most precise entry? As you can see, you would have this data right here. So right in here, you have this big solid channel. Right here, support. And then if it gets up here, that's going to be big resistance. And so this will be a nice, beautiful put side play right here as it went down pretty good. From the top here to the low, this was 11% move. If doing options, you would make pretty good money. And then this right here was the official big move down, as this is where you would make massive money, as obviously you would never hold it this low, but as you can see, that was a 51% move. I would have definitely taken it at the 5, the 10, or the 20, as those are the price targets that could hit. So what do I think about NIO's price action right now? I think it has room to go up. Do I want to short it here? Heck no. This is right in the middle. Can it go down? This is the area where I'm neutral. You're right in the middle of the trend channel, right here. You know, this could act as resistance. It could act as support. I want to look for the big inflection moves. If I wanted to be bullish, the best opportunity was near the EMA 20 and the bottom trend channel, as that would be an uptrend play. That is an uptrend play, stop loss right under the EMA 20. Bam, bam, you're in, you're out. You have your risk defined because nothing is guaranteed in the market. If it goes below the EMA 20, then yes, we will probably have a downtrend. You don't want something like this where you had this big move up, and guess what happens? We start going below the 20. When you start seeing candles like this, it gets a little risky, right? But it tries to do a fake recover, but then you see how we just kept going down and down. I don't want to see that, so I rather, you know, protect the gains. I am looking for puts right up in here for not a massive correction. I don't think, you know, I'm not trying to make a home run hit, but I do think if it hits up here, I think all the bulls should be, you know, taking some profit. Taking the profits, you did good. Congratulate yourself. NIO is up 11%. It's talked a lot about. As you can see, Chinese stocks, you know, are something not to mess with, right? With the stimulus happening. So this is why it's up big. So I definitely could see it. Just maybe it hits this ATR4, and I'd be looking for nice put side plays. You might ask, well, what kind of puts you look like? For swing trading, I always go a month out, and you can go in the money. I like to do like 2 in the money right in here. This is not bad. These do have pretty high IVs, so do keep that in mind. The premiums are a little more expensive, so you can either short it, buy the options, but yeah, that's kind of my strategy for NIO. I just wanted to make this video in advance to, you know, look at the trend channels, draw it from this low here, use the trend channel tool right here. As you can see, if I take this out, you can clearly see, I'll do it again for you, make it clear. Draw it from the very low, because that's the short-term trend we're looking at. It gives you a nice variety range, drag and drop, and you can see that this. Also, if you guys want my indicators and how to use them properly, I do have a link in the Discord where you can join below. And we could set this up, and you can see how to do this real time. But this is a swing trading setup. If you want to do calls or buy, you would have to wait at the EMA 20. But you do keep in mind, Bryce will hit that EMA 20. Yeah, it has not hit it since 903, so it's not terribly long. But do keep that in the back of your mind. Well, it will hit it. If it don't touch it in 2 months, well, that's extremely long, and that's not going to happen all the time. But as you can see, when price goes out of its imbalance zone, when price is in balance, that's when it hits this red band here. We get that nice short reversion to the mean. And as you can see, we respected this middle channel here acting as support. We broke it completely and then hit the 10. And then we went back at this middle channel here. So I'm very curious. I'm rooting for the bulls on this one until it gets up here, and then I'll be bearish. So if you guys want to join the premium Discord, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It's, you'll see it right in here. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. It'll be pinned in the YouTube comments below and in the description. But it'll take you to the free chat landing page. Please read how to subscribe if you have an Android. You'll have to use your phone's browser or your computer to subscribe. Avoid scammers. I'll never message you, DM you, or friend request you, or even trade your accounts. I know it sounds funny, but no, I will not trade your accounts. A lot of people try to scam people doing that. You can read the testimonies. A lot of people like this service. But if you hit the service shop in the top left up here, you can see all the subscriptions I offer, or you can just hit day trade alerts down here and you'll get access to everything. But Day and Swing Trading Plus is only $12 a month. It's probably the cheapest you'll ever find, and you get access to all my services. You get entries and exits to your phone. But the main thing I want to teach you guys is how to actually fish. Why am I looking at plays like this? Why would I not just randomly buy here, randomly short here? Because it doesn't make sense. You want to look for imbalance, right? Because this right here is like flipping a coin. Do we go high? Do we go low? Whereas right up in here, I have much more probability for puts, and I have much more probability for buying calls or buying the stock down here. And that's really what the system is. And we know if we respect this EMA 20, it's an uptrend. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. $12 a month, you'll get access to everything. If you do it on your computer, it's a straight $12 a month. If you do it on your phone, it'll probably charge you a little more for the iOS fee. Just to give you a little branch here, here's the day trading education videos. So you'll have all your videos, and here's the swing trading education. You're going to want to watch this swing trading, how to use these indicators to be profitable. It goes way more in depth. It's like a 30-minute video. So I don't have the time to do that. I just want to talk about NIO. What is my plan and all of that for it? Because I made a video before of why I wanted to short it back down in this area, as this was a nice area. And then now I'm neutral, and I will be looking for a short up here. And that's about it, guys. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to join the Discord, I would love to have you. If you guys like this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment, and let's make some money together.